Welcome to this tutorial on creating a mind map template in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. In this guide you will learn how to quickly set up a mind map by following each step carefully, ensuring that you can visually organize your ideas with ease. Let us begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Start by launching the application to make sure you have everything you need to work on your mind map template. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation in which you would like to create the mind map. This could be a new presentation or an existing one where you want to integrate additional visual structure. Make sure the presentation you choose is the one where your ideas and goals are laid out so that you have the information handy as you build your mind map. With the correct presentation open, move your cursor to the menu and click on the Insert option. The Insert menu is where many useful features reside, including the tools that will help you create the mind map layout. In this part of your screen, you are setting the stage for visual elements that can make your ideas stand out. Within the Insert menu, look for the Smart Art option. This feature is a powerful tool in PowerPoint that allows you to create diagrams, hierarchies, and various other visual structures without needing to draw everything manually. By selecting Smart Art, you are choosing a flexible tool that can convert your thoughts into a structured visual format. After clicking on Smart Art, you will be presented with a number of different diagram categories. From these choices, find the Hierarchy option. The Hierarchy category is designed to show relationships and structure, making it perfect for a mind map setup where central ideas branch out into supporting strategies or subtopics. Within the Hierarchy options, select the Horizontal Hierarchy. This particular layout is ideal because it presents your central goal at one end, with branching strategies arranged in an accessible, easy to read manner. Once you select the horizontal hierarchy, confirm your choice by clicking the OK button. This action will insert the chosen diagram into your slide. Now that your basic structure is set, it is time to input your content. Begin by typing your primary goal into the central node of the diagram. This central element represents the core of your mind map and should capture the main idea or objective you are focusing on. Next, add 2 or more strategies that support your goal to the branch nodes. These strategies are the ideas or steps that will help you achieve your main goal, and by writing them in the respective branches you clearly map out your plan. If you find that you need to add more branches to include additional strategies or related ideas, simply use the copy and paste commands on the branch that you have already inserted. This method allows you to quickly duplicate a branch and modify the text to suit your expanding mind map without having to build from scratch each time. In the event you decide a particular branch is no longer necessary, you can remove it by selecting the branch and pressing the delete key. This simple action helps you streamline your mind map and keeps the focus on the most important information. By following these steps, you now have a fully functional mind map template that visually breaks down your central goal and the strategies that support it. Enjoy organizing your thoughts and ideas with this effective PowerPoint technique.